Hello all, welcome back to the tutorial for C programming for beginners. Hi, this is Sakthi Arun, M.Tech student from NIT Patna. I'm technically supporting the missile Ingeniator. So in the last two lecture videos, I'm giving an lecture videos on arithmetic operators. Okay, so in this lecture, I'm going to continue from the previous topics. So far I have given explanations of arithmetic operators with unary operators, binary operators, incremental and decremental operators. Okay, so I'm going to explain you guys with the concept of division and modulus operators. Okay, so division operators is used to find the quotient. Okay, let me give an example here. Suppose I divide 4 with 3. Okay, get the value of 1.33. Okay, but we take the quotient only, so the quotient will become 1. Okay, and the remaining is printed in the remainder with the, that is performed with the modulus operator. Okay, so now the sign of result, whatever we get in the quotient here, right? When you divide any number, that is depends basically on the operands, the operands, whatever the sign it has. Okay, suppose I take in the 4 here, it's 2 probability, right? So 2 power 4, 2 power 2, we have 4 probabilities. Like suppose I say numerator is positive, okay, and denominator is also positive. Okay, so in that case we I given a previous example, right? 4 divided by 3, we get the positive value. Okay, so the result will be positive here. So, if numerator is positive, okay, and denominator is negative, then we get an value as a negative. Okay, in quotient. Say I take a value negative in numerator and denominator is a positive value, then also we get the value as negative. Okay, but in the last case, when we have negative in the both numerator and denominator, we get the result as an positive. Okay, so these are the 4 probability cases we will be having in the division operators results. Okay, in modulus operators, it is used to find the remainder. Say if I'll take the previous example, I'm dividing 4 with the number 1. Okay, so I take 3 here and the remainder is 1. Okay, 1. Okay, so this 1 is actually found using a quotient operator, and this one is found using a modulus operator. Okay, so for a modulus operator, it should be always in an integer type. Okay, it cannot be in a float type. The sign also depends here. Actually the sign depends only on the numerator. Okay, it does not depend on the denominator sign. Okay, so if a numerator is a positive, say I divide 4 with 3, okay, then the result will be positive. Or if I take 4 divided by -3, then also the result will be positive. Okay, yeah, this is because the numerator is a positive value. Okay, so in case of an negative numerator, say I take -4 divided by 3, then the value is also a negative value. Okay, or else if I take -4, it's divided by -3. Okay, but in this case also, as our numerator is negative, then we get the value as a negative. Okay, so this is how a modulus operator is performed. Okay, so in my next lecture video, I'll give you guys the examples in the code blocks. So thank you all for watching this video. If you have any doubt or comment, please post it in the comment section. Okay, thank you all.